What makes a good story? Well, that can be somewhat subjective, but there are certain components that would make a good story, and some will depend on the genre too. However, you need an interesting topic or concept, and you know, doesn't mean that it hasn't been done before because let's face it, so many things have been done, but with a unique spin on something. And you need really interesting, well developed characters, and that you show who your characters are and not tell. And that you have tight writing that's grammatically correct, free of spelling errors, um, that you avoid the use of jargon for jargon's sake. If you're going to use jargon, then it should be meaningful and it should be used correctly. Um, what else? You have to have a narrative arc, you have to have a character arc. You need to show, there's a problem has to get solved. Eventually, the problem gets solved, and there's either a happy ending or a sad ending, but there's always, the climax and then the resolution. And so to me, that's what makes a good story. And then it would also, the type of genre also dictates that, right? So if it's a picture book, you really have to kind of balance the text with the illustrations, and they should complement each other. So it can be really difficult to figure that piece out. Um, but some say, and I would tend to agree as a picture book writer, that writing picture books can be harder than writing full length novels. And I guess whatever, makes a good story is what might appeal to a reader, because you'll never appeal to everybody. But if you have a really good concept, good characters, good text and dialogue, crisp, neat writing, you'll have a good story.